very important cause to support education. As much as I can be a part of it, I always have supported it. But I think the Save the Children's effort in ensuring every child has the right to education is very, very commendable. My small little effort to be a part of it, in whatever way I can help, is something that I'm trying to do here today, and I have to congratulate everyone present here today for taking up this cause. Education is perhaps the single most important tool by which a child from any part of society can overcome the constraints of their environment and actually live up to the potential of what they are possibly going to be. They are our future. They can rewrite their own future. So thank you very much for having me be a part of this, and all the best to Save the Children. Thank you very much for this. Well, I'd also like to add that Save the Children is associated with about 11 states in India, and I hope at some point to be able to visit all the places where Save the Children works and see for myself how much help I can be of, and also in every possible way create awareness about how important education is, especially in our country. जी मैं काफ़ी NGOs के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ. It is an initiative जहाँ पे भी मैं सोचती हूँ या समझती हूँ कि मेरा पोजीशन मुझे हेल्प कर सकेगा किसी तरह का अवेयरनेस लाने के लिए, किसी तरह के हेल्प के लिए. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ as I go forward you know a little bit more. Yes, I do. Credibility for me is very important, and when it comes to the credibility of Save the Children, it's extremely obvious. I know the fact that whenever I do get associated, the first thing as an Indian, if I can say, or anyone for that matter who wants to get associated with a cause in their little way also will check the credibility of if I'm giving this much money, is it going to go to people concerned, or if I'm giving my time, is it going to go to is it really going to help? Is my volunteer service going to help? These are questions everybody asks, and so do I, being a lay person. But I think when it comes to being associated with credible NGOs, that really helps in a big way. So that is something else I do check up on. In our country, in other countries, in every possible field, it is something which is very unfortunate. It is something that we need to keep an eye out for. In fact, Save the Children has a huge initiative for that as well. But as citizens, as lay people, it is something that we need to keep an eye out for in our everyday lives as well. When it comes to just the particular incident you're speaking about, I wouldn't know much about it, so I can't really comment. But when it comes to child abuse, I can say that as citizens and as human beings, it's something that we need to keep our eye out for. I think the one thing that comes to my mind when it comes to rewriting the future is there are so many children from so many parts of our country where the only thing they can think of is probably menial work when they're 5, forget school by the time they're 11 or 12, or they've probably never even been to school, probably get married by the time they're 13. That's what I'm talking about when it comes to rewriting their future. That's the bleak future that they see as soon as they are born, because of the environment that they are brought up in, because of being deprived. And it is only when initiatives like this come up and actually tell them that you can actually rewrite your future. There are so many different ways that you can, give your future a chance. That's what I mean by rewriting the future. Everybody has the potential to do it. It's just the opportunity that's not given. And with Save the Children Foundation, that's what we do. You give an opportunity to these children to rewrite their future.
I think when it comes to anything, there is competition in any field, especially in ours. And competition is great, otherwise you'd never strive to be better. See, I can't generalize and say actors do or actors don't. I do. Yeah, pretty much all my brands, if I think about it.